Ever wondered what it feels like to stand at the edge of the world, where the ground trembles beneath your feet and the air is thick with mist? Picture a place where the raw power of nature meets the ingenuity of human engineering. Welcome to Western New York, where a hidden treasure awaits those brave enough to seek it out. For centuries, this natural wonder has captivated the hearts and minds of visitors from around the globe. Native American legends speak of a thundering spirit dwelling within its waters, while early European explorers stood in awe of its magnificent beauty. This geological masterpiece, carved by glaciers over 12,000 years ago, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the birth of a nation, and the dawn of the industrial age. But what exactly makes this place so special? Is it the sheer volume of water cascading over its edge every second? Or perhaps it's the rainbow-hued mist that dances in the sunlight, creating an ethereal atmosphere that seems almost otherworldly? Prepare to have your breath stolen away as we reveal the secrets of America's most awe-inspiring natural spectacle. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Niagara Falls, New York, a true force of nature that defies imagination. Here, over 3,160 tons of water plummet over the edge every second, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard for miles. But did you know that Niagara Falls actually consists of 3 separate waterfalls? The American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the mighty Horseshoe Falls combine to create this mesmerizing display of nature's power. But there's more to Niagara than meets the eye. Few visitors realize that the falls are slowly eroding, moving upstream at a rate of about 1 foot per year. Even more surprising is the fact that Niagara Falls completely stopped flowing in 1848 due to an ice jam, creating an eerie silence that lasted for 30 hours. For the ultimate Niagara experience, board the legendary Maid of the Mist boat tour. As you don your blue poncho and venture into the swirling mist, you'll feel the raw power of the falls firsthand. The thunderous roar, the spray on your face, and the sight of millions of gallons of water crashing down around you. It's a sensory overload that will leave you breathless. But don't miss out on the Cave of the Winds, where you can walk along wooden platforms to the hurricane deck, standing just 20 feet from the crashing Bridal Veil Falls. It's like stepping into the heart of a storm, with winds reaching up to 68 miles per hour and water so dense it feels like rain falling upwards. You'll find this natural wonder straddling the border between the United States and Canada, with the American side located in Niagara Falls, New York, just 17 miles northwest of Buffalo. Visit during shoulder seasons for smaller crowds. Wear waterproof clothing and sturdy shoes. Don't forget your camera, but protect it from the mist. Consider staying overnight to see the falls illuminated after dark. Niagara Falls isn't just a destination. It's a life-changing experience. So pack your sense of adventure and prepare to be humbled by the raw power and beauty of one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Imagine a place so deep, so dark, that parts of it see only 33 minutes of sunlight a day. A canyon so imposing that even the native Ute people, who called this area home for centuries, feared to venture into its depths. Welcome to Western Colorado, where a geological marvel awaits those brave enough to peer over its edge. This natural wonder has been a formidable barrier to humans since time immemorial. Its story begins nearly 2 billion years ago, when the oldest exposed rock on Earth was formed. Fast forward to 1853, when a West Point graduate named John Williams Gunnison led the first recorded expedition into this forbidding terrain. Little did he know that his name would forever be associated with one of America's most spectacular landscapes. As you approach the rim, the sheer magnitude of what lies before you is breathtaking. Walls of dark Precambrian rock plummet nearly vertically for over 2,000 feet, their black-stained, lichen-covered surfaces creating an illusion of impenetrable darkness. But it's not all gloom and shadow. Look closely, and you'll see the glint of the Gunnison River far below, a silver thread that has been carving this masterpiece for millions of years. But here's a question that might make your head spin. What do this canyon and the Empire State Building have in common? The answer lies in the painted wall, the crown jewel of this park. standing at a staggering 2,250 feet from river to rim. It's not only the tallest cliff in Colorado, but also a full 1,000 feet taller than the iconic New York skyscraper. It's a testament to the raw power of nature, dwarfing human achievements in a single, awe-inspiring vista. Now let's delve into some lesser-known facts that make this place truly unique. Did you know that this canyon was once the stage for a daring adventure by two brothers who essentially invented tourism photography? In 1916, Ellsworth and Emery Kolb, famous for their Grand Canyon exploits, made a historic trip through this very gorge, capturing its wonders on film for the first time. Here's another surprising tidbit. Despite its forbidding appearance, this canyon is a haven for cross-country skiing in winter. Imagine gliding silently along the rim, the stark beauty of snow-dusted cliffs stretching out before you. But perhaps the most intriguing fact is the canyon's connection to Serbia. Believe it or not, Tara National Park in Serbia is the sister park of this Colorado wonder, sharing similar geological features and conservation goals. You'll find this natural skyscraper at Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park, located about 250 miles southwest of Denver. The South Rim entrance is 15 miles east of Montrose, while the North Rim entrance is 11 miles south of Crawford. Pro tip: visit the South Rim first, as it's more accessible and has a wider range of facilities. If you're up for a challenge, the North Rim offers a more rugged, less crowded experience. And don't forget to stay after dark. The park is a certified international dark sky park, offering spectacular stargazing opportunities. Whether you're a geology buff, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates the raw beauty of nature, Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park offers an experience that will leave you in awe. Come discover the darkness that illuminates the true majesty of the American landscape. Imagine a place where ancient Egyptian pharaohs rub shoulders with space-age technology, where delicate beauty meets industrial might. Picture yourself standing before a shimmering wall of light, surrounded by 3,500 years of human ingenuity. Now, what if I told you this isn't a fantasy, but a real destination nestled in the heart of New York's Finger Lakes region? In the quaint town of Corning, a glass revolution began in the 1860s. Elias Hungerford, a visionary entrepreneur, saw potential in the area's abundant coal, sand, and transportation links. Little did he know that his dream would transform this sleepy town into the Crystal City, a hub of innovation that would shape the modern world. From delicate cut glass masterpieces that dazzled at world fairs to the heat-resistant glass that revolutionized kitchens across America, Corning's story is one of constant reinvention and brilliance. As you approach this glass wonderland, you'll be struck by its modern facade, a stark contrast to the historic downtown. Inside, prepare to be dazzled by the world's largest collection of glass objects. From ancient Roman vessels to towering contemporary sculptures, each piece tells a story of human creativity and technological progress. But the real magic happens when you witness molten glass transform before your eyes, shaped by skilled artisans in live demonstrations that will leave you breathless. But what makes this place truly unique? What hidden wonders await those who venture beyond the surface? Welcome to the Corning Museum of Glass, where science, art, and history collide in a spectacular fusion of creativity and innovation. This isn't just a museum, it's a journey through time and technology, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Did you know that this museum houses the world's largest piece of solid glass? Weighing in at 1,000 pounds, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless potential of this versatile material. But here's a lesser-known fact. The museum's collection includes over 3 million library items, making it the world's foremost resource for glass research. As you wander through the galleries, you'll discover hidden gems like the 35 Centuries of Glass exhibit, where you can trace the evolution of glassmaking from ancient Egypt to modern times. Don't miss the Innovation Center, where you can explore the crucial role glass plays in fields like optics and telecommunications. But the real showstopper is the Contemporary Art Plus Design Wing. Here, massive installations push the boundaries of what's possible with glass, challenging your perceptions and igniting your imagination. And if you're feeling inspired, Why not try your hand at glassmaking? The Make Your Own Glass Studio offers a unique opportunity to create your own masterpiece, guided by expert instructors. One contentious point that often sparks debate: is glassblowing truly an art form, or is it merely a craft? As you watch master glassblowers transform molten glass into intricate sculptures, you'll find yourself pondering this question and perhaps forming your own opinion. You'll find this transparent treasure at One Museum Way, Corning, New York 14830. The museum is open daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., with extended hours until 8 p.m. from Memorial Day to Labor Day. Pro tip: purchase your tickets online in advance to skip the lines. And if you're planning to participate in a make-your-own glass experience, book early. These popular sessions fill up quickly. Remember, your ticket is valid for 2 days, so take your time exploring this vast collection. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply curious about the world around you, the Corning Museum of Glass offers a unique journey through human creativity and innovation. So why not step into a world where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and discover the magic of glass for yourself?